We have two towns, town A and town B. They are 60 miles apart. You travel from town A to town B at 30 miles per hour. Once you get to town B, you immediately turn around and drive back to town A at 20 miles an hour. What was the average speed of your round trip? Do you need a minute, or do you think you already know? Did you say 25 miles per hour? If you did, I'm sorry, that's not right. First, how much time did it take us to drive from town A to town B? Well, our distance was 60 and our speed was 30, so that means the time was 2 hours. And then how much time did it take us to travel back? Well, our distance was still 60 and our speed is now 20, so that'd be 3 hours. We have the total trip of our time was 5 hours. So we're gonna use the formula rate equals distance over time. And what was our distance? Well, we went 60 miles this way and 60 miles this way. So our distance was 120 miles and then our time was 5 hours. And if you plug into a calculator 120 divided by 5, you get 24 miles per hour. 30 one way, 20 the other, the same distance, but your average speed was 24 miles per hour. Feels like it should be 25 though, doesn't it? And if you're curious, the reason why is because notice how we spent only 2 hours going 30 miles per hour, but we spent a whole 3 hours going 20 miles per hour. So the fact we spent more time going the slower speed is what dropped this from the 25 we expected down to the 24. Now, if we drove for 2 hours at 30 miles per hour and then 2 hours at 20 miles per hour, that would have an average speed of 25.